some pretty wicked storms rolling in here tonight. I'm in Mississippi and in Columbus, Mississippi, just outside of Gluckstadt, or Madison, Mississippi. And anyway, I don't know, I can't keep track. I am in Mississippi and I just got unloaded and came here to the Love's truck stop, and then I started getting alerts on my phone of this, and I got parked, and no sooner than I got parked, the bottom just fell out. Trees started blowing over and all these massive clouds rolling through. This is really, I think it's a cool time to be in a truck because storms are just cool to me. I don't know, they're fascinating. Some of them you just never know how bad it's really going to get. So it really just keeps you guessing. And you know, you look out at the dumping rain and the wind just blowing like crazy, and everybody's hunkered down in their trucks, and so I'm about to DoorDash some food because I don't want to, you know, I don't know, lazy, and see if a DoorDasher will come out in this tornado watch. But anyway, yeah, this has been a wild trip, guys, a really wild trip. Weather-wise, it can be absolutely beautiful. Like most of the day today, it was absolutely beautiful, and then all of a sudden a storm will roll in. It'll just beat the crap out of you, and then it'll roll right back out as quick as it came in. So all right, well, as I'm sitting here watching it rain and storm and all that good stuff, I decided, you know, it's about dinner time, so what am I going to do for dinner? So I got to looking around to see what all I got, and I opened up this where all my food is, and I found some pretty some pretty good stuff I didn't even know I had. So okay, tonight I'm gonna make, let's see, let me this go in here. There we go. Barbecue chicken and corn, green beans, and carrots. That's what we're gonna do. And I've got my little roaster oven here. Gonna get this all going and set up, plugged up. Oh, hang on here. Slow down, slow down. Move that over there. Get her all plugged in here. All right, let's get her all plugged in here. Right there. All right, now need a switch on here somewhere. There it is. All right, she's on. Get that cord out of the way. Now I'm going to take these little things. In here like this, and then I'm going to put my stuff in there to heat up. Okay, let's get this show on the road here. This thing's heating up. It's not very hot yet. Yummy. All right, I'm going to take some of this barbecue. Here like that. That should be plenty. clean my spoon off, because next is going to be, I'll put some corn. I'm going to drain, well, yeah, I'm going to drain some of that water off of there. There's my corn. I'm just going to mix my green beans and corn together. I think that'll be all right. It's about full, I think, but going over there. Still got some carrots here, so I guess I'm gonna sprinkle some carrots on the top too. Just make it a mixed vegetable bowl here. There we go. Now I'm going to put the lid on. I dropped you. Ah! Where'd you go? Get you back up here. There you go. All right. You're okay. You're okay. It'll only hurt for a minute. You'll be all right. There we go. Look at here, look at here. Ooh. Looking good. Alright. Now we just gonna give it a little stir. Oh man, look at that. Barbecue chicken. I'm making a mess here. Alright, that's alright. How are these heating up? They're hot. Okay. Alright. Go ahead, cut that off. All right, well, let's eat. All right, well, before I get started here, I'm gonna have to hit it with some of this. This is some good stuff right here. Add a little more flavor. go. Mix that up. I don't have a lot of room to mix it up. I'm gonna have to get another one out. It's just a little bit too full there. And I've got plenty of these things. I got a whole stack of them. And they work great in that little oven there. So I'm just gonna move some over here. I really doubt I'm going to eat all of this. That's a lot. But I know I'm going to eat all this. It's good barbecue right there. Ooh, that's hot. It's just right amount of chicken, right amount of barbecue sauce. That's good right there. All right, well, I'm gonna chow down on this, and I'm sure y'all don't want to see me do that. I'll be back in a minute. Ooh, Lord, Lord. Man, I tore it up. I got me a little piece of bread over here and made a little sandwich, made a little barbecue sandwich out of it. Tore up the vegetables. Man, I'm stuffed. Got me some Gold Peak. This seasoning is really good, especially for people that can't have a lot of salt like me. Not supposed to anyway. It's a salt-free 17 seasoning. This is some really good stuff. And it's flavorful, and it provides the salt taste that you're looking for and you want, but can't have. I'm not supposed to, but a lot of times I do anyway. And I know I probably shouldn't, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, I'm just sitting out here, sitting back here in my bunk eating and looking out at the messy rain, nastiness. Got to do this. Now I'm all full, fat, dumb, and happy. And I'm about to crawl back here and chill for a little while. After I get this mess cleaned up. So I'm going to start doing that. I'm going to get this mess cleaned up. All right, mess is cleaned up. Little oven's put away. Now I'm just gonna chill for a bit. I think. Man, look how crazy my hair is. That's crazy, ain't it? Damn it, boy, get your hair cut. I don't want my hair cut. Let it grow for a little while. Need to get this cut too. Ah, hell. I might one of these days. I don't know. right now I'm just living life. Just living life. Trucking, doing my southeast route. And these rare moments are nice because I can just chill. Not behind the wheel. I'm waiting. I gotta get in the morning and get unloaded 35 pieces at a place about 7-8 miles up the road. So I'm right here in town to where I need to be, and got my feet propped up. These times are nice because they're few and far between. Usually, if I get somewhere, I gotta, jump in the bunk and get some sleep because I got an early morning or something like that. So I like the times when I get to a place early and I can just go to a Love's or a Pilot and just chill for a little bit. Make a dinner like I did tonight. That's pretty cool. But yeah, that's all part of it too. You got to have your downtime in between the running here and running there. Got to get to the next customer. Got to get where I need to go quick. run. Got to stop for fuel. Got to, do my pre-trips, all that stuff. But the downtime is what's refreshing to me, like today. I could just sit up there and watch it rain, and I love storms. I could sleep in a storm, or I can, the really bad ones, I like to just sit up and watch it. It's pretty cool to me, but a lot of times I can get back here and go to sleep and sleep right through a big major storm. But today, it stormed for a little while. I think we got some more storms coming in during the night, but it stormed for a little while, and then it's just, gray and gloomy right now. It's probably in between storms. But if it storms later on tonight, I'm just going to sleep through it. I'm pretty sure. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Let's see, started off in Baldwin, Georgia. Had 2, 3, 4 stops in Alabama, and then crossed over into Mississippi. And I've had a couple stops here in Mississippi already, and I've got 2 more. And then tomorrow I'm headed up to Jonesboro, Arkansas. So yeah, got to cross the Mississippi right there at the Tennessee-Arkansas line. Got to go up through Memphis and cross over the Mississippi River into Arkansas. And right there in that small stretch between leaving Mississippi, entering Tennessee, I mean, it's not very far. You got to cross over. You got to cross through Memphis and when you cross over the Mississippi River, you go right into Arkansas. And there's 3 scale houses, 3 freaking scale houses in that area. So just time delays is all it is. I mean, I'm set. I'm good on all my stuff, but just takes time and make it crawl through there, and I don't know. I'm just complaining. I can always find something to complain about. But anyway, yeah, this was a fun little video to make. I enjoyed doing this, and gonna ride out the storms through the night. And if you don't hear back from me, that means I just slept right through it. But if it gets really bad, I'll cut back in and share it with you. But anyway, had a good time doing this one. Y'all stay safe out there. Until the next video, just keep all the wheels on the ground and keep the wheels rolling, right? That's what we got to do. Hope you've enjoyed this one. If you have, then hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you nothing. It's free. And we'll see you in the next one. See you guys.